this lace is not moving, honey. Okay? Isn't going anywhere. Anywhere. It's your girl Miriam C, and in today's video I am bringing to you this unit by Unice hair. It is a 22-inch 150% density water wave hair, but I'm putting a twist on it. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and test out this EBIN strong adhesive spray that everybody has been talking about. So I'm trying to see the hype. Is it true? Is it not? So as the first time user of this, I'm gonna give you guys the real scoop. I'm gonna let you know like how it held up. Did I have to use something to fix it? Did I have to use it alone? Can it work alone? How long it lasted? I wanted to use this and try to use this by itself because I've always been looking for like a glueless quick install. It's not every day you want to do a full meltdown. Like sometimes you just want to get out the house and go, and I'm so used to using these got to be sprays that don't last. So I'm like, you know what, let me see what the hype is about this. So I got the red one because it was the most preferred. Stay till the end. I'm going to show you guys the a next day clip of what it looks like tomorrow. So yes, please stay tuned and keep on watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is in collaboration with Unice Hair. They sent me over this beautiful Brazilian water wave unit in 22 inches. And this is everything that comes in the box. So I did go ahead and bleach and pluck the unit off camera. But I will add this is a very low maintenance wig. So you don't have to necessarily customize it if you don't want to. So today we are going to be testing out this new hot on the market EBIN. Let me see if it'll focus. So everybody has been talking about this and I just wanted to see the hype for myself. Everybody's saying that this spray right here, y'all, has a really strong hold and it will last at least all day throughout the day. I don't know if this is like something you could wear for an extensive period of time. I will let you guys know though. This is their Wonder Lace Blonde Adhesive Spray Extreme Firm Hold, and this is the active one. I seen the yellow one and I was just reading some reviews and they were saying that the red one was stronger than the yellow, so I just decided to go with the strongest one, and it is the red one. And we're just gonna test it out today. Like I'm not gonna do too many. So yeah, we're just gonna keep this install very simple, very glueless, and stay to the end so you can see what it looks like the next day. I'm gonna definitely have a clip in here showing you guys what it looks like tomorrow after my long shift at work. So let's just keep on watching and let's just get into this video. I went ahead and I put makeup on the inside of the lace. I always do this, that way it gives it a natural tint. So the first thing I want to do is just position it to where I want to lay the lace, and then I'm going to go ahead and just clip away the hair. Things first, I'm going to go ahead and cut off these ear tabs. I do have a wig cap underneath, so I'm just going to place it right in front of my wig cap. So with sprays, I like to spray exactly where I want to place it. I don't spray all over like crazy. Just going to spray exactly where I want to place. The EBIN spray has directions on the back of the can and it says to spray on cool, so that's what I'm going to do for the next 5 minutes, and then we're going to apply the lace. I blow dried it for I want to say like maybe like a minute, not too long, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just apply the lace flat onto the spray. I'm just going to press it in with my comb. Go ahead and just spray the top of the lace as well. I can already feel the lace sticking to my skin and I haven't even tied it down yet. So now we're going to go ahead and just tie it down with an elastic band for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been melting for 10 minutes. Let's do the reveal. And this is, ooh, girl, this thing is laid. It's in there. It is not moving. Okay. Okay. This might be the new Got2b spray. This might be my new Got2b spray. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna cut this with my eyebrow razors. So we're just gonna put our elastic band on for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I've had it on for about 10 minutes and we're about to take this off. Let's see. Maybe that's one. Y'all, my hot comb is smoking. Can y'all see this? Can somebody tell me why? I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs and lay these baby hairs down. And y'all know I use my famous Got2b styling gel for the baby hairs along with the rat tail comb. This wig is not going anywhere. This wig is not going anywhere. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and swoop my baby hairs. I pretty much just play around my baby hairs until I get the aesthetic that I want. How did I do? I will say it looks a little baldy. I don't know why. Probably I plucked up too much, but it's okay. We're gonna fix everything. No worries. I swear guys, like my job is always confused. Like I always come to work with a new wig. Every week they just look at me as I enter like, this girl. You know, somebody gotta be the baddest bitch in the living room. Okay. So we're just gonna spray a little bit more. See, we're like layering up with this spray, okay? This is some good stuff. I'm already gonna put it out there. Some good stuff. Like I'm probably not going back to lace glue. I probably never wear lace glue again unless I'm going on vacation. Look how quick and easy this was. Like, back to the middle I go. I was thinking I wanted to do a side part, but back to the middle I go. If you want to know why Arrogante and some people just have like the cleanest parts, it's because they use a hot comb and they use a wax stick. These two together, top tier, top tier. Get with it. I'm gonna use a spray bottle off camera and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the rest of my styling. This is what the curl pattern looks like when it's damp. I'm gonna go in with some Suave Mousse just to set the curls. So this actually looks really good. I'm liking the turnout of the hair. Let me show you guys the back. This is melted. It is not going anywhere. Like, that is so crazy. Oh my gosh. It's not shifting. I can't wait to see how it lasts tomorrow and let you guys know. Okay, do you see it? This lace isn't going anywhere. I want to see if it's even waterproof because the way this has a grip on my scalp right now, like I just know it's waterproof. But yeah, that's another video. Like this spray has crack in it. Like this is literally, I would compare this to the Gorilla Glue that girl had used. So I already know, like, to get this off I probably have to use like alcohol or something. And I would also prefer, if you guys, well, I would also recommend you guys to use a skin protectant because things like this will mess up your skin. I know that. This is the next day hair, and I will say that the sides lifted up a little bit, but other than that, your girl's still going strong. So y'all do with this information what you please. Y'all, I just had to come back real quick because why am I trying to take it off? And it is, oh, okay, it's still stuck. I'm trying to remove it with water and it was still stuck for the longest, y'all. Like, I got scared. Like, this is, it's that stuck. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.